girl affection.
Oh, she knows what's in store for her.
Come here, pretty girl. Alright.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. Don't freak out. Don't freak out.
Don't freak out yet.
Don't freak out. She's gonna freak out. First, you tape the paws. Put the tape on the paws. No, she's already freaking out.
Oh, no. Here, I'll help you.
Here, get her a little paws.
Okay, I'll hold her paws.
Oh, it's a good little girl. Okay. Little girl. Little scratch your belly. Scratch your belly. Here, get her paws.
No.
Oh, no. Get her feet apart. Hurry, fix it. Holding her paws. You gotta hurry. Hurry, get the other one. Hurry, you gotta move fast.
I'm going fast.
Get the rolls. The rubber foot.
We're going. It's a baby girl.
One more is done. One more, we're done. Hurry. You still recording?
Yeah, okay. Go.
Okay.
Oh, baby girl.